That was a good job. Yay, Sniffy. Ooh. Oh, what are we doing? What is IQR? I don't know. We have to see.
First quartile is 1.2 million, and the third quartile is 3.5 million, respectively. So the interquartile range is just the difference between those two. It's the third quartile minus the first quartile.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Interquartile. What? Wait a minute. Wait. What? I'm confused. How does that make any sense? I guess I'll keep going with it, but I'm a little confused why the interquartile range is from 1 to 3 is the difference between these, and then we have 1.5. Okay, well, we'll do that and then see what she says. This minus, I can't use the minus key there. I can use the other minus key, right? That's unfortunate. I think I need to change my hotkey for OBS. Because I can change it in the middle of a recording, can't I? What we'll do is change the hotkey. We'll just get rid of the hotkey, or I don't know. Let's see. So this, okay, start recording. We'll change that to the, we'll just move it over 1. We'll change it to the slash. It doesn't even matter because I don't even use them anymore, but because am I ever going to use a slash in Excel? Like, am I ever going to use that? I don't know. We'll just temporarily change it to that and that. So, is it going to be saved? Okay. Oh, God, this sucks. Stupid OBS. Okay, so now whenever we push the minus on that, should not do anything, right? Watch this. I just pushed it, nothing happened, so we're good. That was funny, Sniffy. So 2308 700. Okay.
So then we see that the interquartile range is $2,308,700. So it's a pretty big range. Again, this is CEOs, so big dollar amounts, and therefore big range too, because you get 1 or 2 with really high salaries, and it skews the data. Okay. So then to understand what these numbers are that are outside this line, we need to know what is the value of this line. And I could actually click on it and have it tell me it's 69417, or I could just calculate it here by taking my third quartile and adding my IQR.
Huh?
Oh, 1.5 times my RQR.
Wait, it's literally just what it says.
The IQR.
That
and
line.
Do the multiplication first, and then go back and do the.
So this plus this times this. And she uses. You got to be kidding me! She uses an asterisk. That means I have to change my hotkeys again. Great. Okay, so what should we use instead? We shall use nothing. How about nothing? Because I don't use hotkeys at all, except for when I'm doing speedruns, and I haven't done speedruns in a while, so how about nothing? Bye-bye. Wait. Wait. Remove? Please don't. It won't let me remove. Okay. Thank God. I didn't delete it or something. Okay, so now we have no hotkeys. That will mess everything up. If I push these buttons, nothing happens. See, I just pushed them and nothing happened. Okay. So it was pretty simple what she did. I'm just confused as to why we're doing this exactly. Why are we doing quartile 3 plus 1.5 times into quartile range? I'm not sure why we're doing that exactly. Dang it. According to Excel, a mild outlier is an observation in between this and this. From the edge of the box. Okay. So, well, that's what Excel does, right? Yes. So basically equals this plus 1.5 times this. 6,989,350.
So we don't need to put that in parentheses. Okay.
6,989,350. Pretty simple. This one should just be. I can use the other equal sign. Oh, great! The number pad doesn't have an equal sign. Wonderful! Oh my gosh.
And then my 3, 69889 is the cutoff for the moderate outlier.
What? What? She's just writing that.
And then this one's going to be the cutoff for the mean extreme.
Cutoff for extreme outlier.
And of course, that's going to be equal to my 3rd quartile plus.
She typed some stuff there.
Three times my quartile range. 10,400, 10,452,400. I'm not used to speaking in millions.
10,452,400.
I can tell. You can tell I'm a state employee, not a private sector. Just kidding. All right. So now you're saying, okay, great. So we now understand where this cutoff is at that 68,000 and up here at 10,000. That's going to be the difference between 10,400. Is going to be our difference between the mild.
Wait a minute. So that's not what the box plot is talking about. The moderate outlier is here. Cutoff is here. And the extreme outlier cutoff, they don't even list it on the box plot in Excel. Sorry.
Which of these are extreme, which of these are mild? Well, one way we can do it is just simply to sort the entire data set on the total and then identify any values that are between these two as mild and any that are more extreme than that as extreme. Okay. So to sort, I'm going to go over here.
Oh, geez. Oh, geez. Of course I can't see it because the face cam's in the way. Of course. Right now, she doesn't even have it selected.
Sort.
She has to.
And I'm going to sort by. Oops, I'm sorry. You don't want to sort on my little table down there. Be somewhere over in the big data table, the original data table.
What?
And do that.
Wait. Why? Well, wait a minute. Why did she select there? Why don't you select in the column? I don't know.
And we don't want company name, we want to do the total of 2008.
Oh, I see.
Total of 2008. Cell value smallest to largest. That'd be fine, except we want to know the largest values. So we're going to go with largest to smallest. Okay.
Sort from largest to smallest.
That we have
and then we just select
salaries that are greater than 69893.
What was it sorted by before? Was it just random? Or was it alphabetical order? Probably. But they sorted these by largest total to smallest. Okay, I guess I'll do that then. Oh. I feel like this is too... She said it doesn't matter where you select because it'll just... How do we do sorting? Crap. Sort and filter. Custom sort. Sort by total 2008, largest to smallest. Good job. Okay. Oh, man. So look, what are we trying to do with this question? That's funny. Identify the names of all CEOs who are mild outliers and all of those who are extreme. Okay, but why on earth are we defining a extreme outlier as this? Why? The box plot does not indicate that at all, but okay then. Anyways, so basically every salary that's higher than 10,452. So now there's multiple ways to answer the question, but it's very simple. The answer to the question is an extreme outlier is all of the people who are this guy and up. All of these people are extreme outliers. Everything from this person all the way down to 6989. So from here to here are the mild outliers. So there you go. That's the answer. But the question is, there's multiple ways to actually answer the question. You could use color coded. You could just color code it or something, but let's see what she does, of course. Oh my gosh.
350.
Oh, she does color code. Wait, no.
6989, this be greater than 6941 and less than 10452. So up to there, and these are going to be the mild outliers.
She doesn't even select the names. She selects the...
And then these ones that are greater than 10 are extreme outliers. Again, I guess they wanted to know the names of those individuals. Those are extreme, and those are mild. Now, is there a way to have gotten Excel to do all of that? Yes, we could have written a macro. For those of you who are super computer savvy, you know what that means. And it would have done it. If we were doing this over and over again for data year after year, or month after month, or on a really regular basis, it would make sense to write a macro and then you could use it.
Okay, weirdly enough, she doesn't actually color code. Okay. She only color codes the salary and the executive name. Well, obvious. That's all we care about. But yeah, she uses that color. What color should I use? There's probably certain colors that are better. I don't know what are good colors. Shut up. What's a good color? Probably lighter colors are good. Hey, how about we go with... Yeah. Let's go with a light purple color. I hate myself. That's not light purple. Stop. Stop. Stop it. 9, 8. Okay. She's probably gonna be like, that's not a good color to use. Oh, jeez. So yeah, that's it. That's the whole question, right? We're done. The question is, create a new variable, sum of this blah, create a box plot, mild outliers are blah, extreme outliers are blah. Okay, so logically I need to think through why this is the case that we did it like this. Between 1.5 and 3.0 from the edge of the box. The edge of the box is this box. What does the box even mean? So the box must be quartile 1 to quartile 3, right? Because quartile 1 is 1.2 and quartile 3 is that. So the box is quartile 1 to quartile 3. The interquartile range is that. And then this line right here is quartile 3 plus 1.5 IQR. And then the outermost outlier is quartile 3 plus 3 IQR. But where on the box plot does it even indicate that? It doesn't indicate that anywhere. But whatever. That's what the textbook said. And, okay. So I think I understand this conceptually. That was funny. So that should be it for that question, right?
It over and over. But when you're basically doing this for a one-off, you're just doing it just logic through it like I did. I sorted them, I looked at the values, I highlighted, and then I looked at the names. And again, if I was writing this up in a report to the boss, I would write this person's name and their salary and this person's name and their salary and all those. I would say these are our extreme outliers as far as really large salaries that are above the third quartile or above the third interquartile range. And then I would say these are the ones that are mild outliers, and I would list their names and their dollar amounts. All right. For the purposes of this class, what you got right there is fine with me. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, so I guess that pretty much explains that one. Did anybody have any questions?
Is she doing this live?
I did. I got lost when I was trying to do it on mine. How to find.
Dude, she was doing this in a live class. How? This was a year ago. Holy crap. This was from a live class from a year ago. Oh my gosh. What? No way.
I didn't. I missed that part. I was trying to do it on my computer and I missed you do it.
Okay, so first you do your quartile.inc for the first quartile. So
IQ fine. I did.
Did anybody have any questions?
I did. I got lost when I was trying to do it on mine. How to find the IQR.
Yeah.
I didn't. I missed that part. I was trying to do it on my computer and I missed you do it.
Okay, so first you do your quartile.inc and then.
Okay.
Or add. Perfect. Anybody else? Okay.
I just heard camera keep turning on and off. That's weird. Oh, I think maybe it's because it's a recording of the Zoom session. And it keeps switching cameras to whoever's talking.
I said use the .inc. That means it's inclusive. I say we should always use the .inc whenever we come to a formula in this class where there's an option of EXC, which means exclusive, and INC for inclusive. We're going to choose INC. However, Excel confounds me by, and I didn't show this right away. Oh, there's a way to do this. I should be able to display the data. Oh, I thought I could right click. This is what happens when you're there. No. Well, there is a way to display these data amounts on there, and I know it's not that hard. I can't believe I can't figure it out.
If you go to the plus in the upper right-hand corner.
They changed it on the data labels. That's right. Okay, so now you're looking at these data labels, and they're a little bit different. 6941700 versus 698.
Oh no!
In the box plot, it uses .exe. You can force the box plot to use the .inc, but again, I would have to show you a whole bunch of steps to change that and the odds that you're ever going to have to do that. Plus, remember, a box plot is simply a visual tool. So if these numbers at this line and for
wait a minute,
these cutoffs.
That's not what happened with mine, though. I got the right number here, didn't I? Oh, no, I didn't. I didn't. Okay. That's funny. Right.
Were the exact values that we see down here. Visually, it's going to be so close to that, it wouldn't make any difference. So if we didn't have the data labels turned on, nobody would be the wiser that these were the .exe numbers at the top of this line. Okay, So as I said, I figured out a way at some point to go into the box plot creation process and change it, but it is incredibly time consuming for how much difference it makes. The picture looks exactly the same. So here's where we're using our numbers. It's from the actual calculations, and then we chose the .inc, which we know is the right one to use. Okay, moving on to number
35 is the next question. Just double checking. Number 35. So we've completed one question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go. And then we have another assignment due Monday. Fun. Oh, it's kind of insane how she did all of those problems in class a year ago. Anyways. So I guess we yeah, that's it for that question, huh? Wow, that was funny. Oh my. Dang it. I want to double check to make sure I had the right ones. Gotta be kidding me. Scott Lee Camilleri Lewis. Yes, correct. This is all good. We're done. We're completely done. Oh, what's going on? So we're done with that one. Bye-bye. Excel, not video. Right. I have to go to the bathroom. That was funny. Well, this is taking forever. What is the next question? Question number 35. Hate myself. So, number 35. We're going to find this. Use this here. Great. Wonderful. Awesome. Found it. Contains data from a survey of 500 randomly selected households. Use Excel filters to answer the following questions. Households. Households. We have family size, location, ownership, first income, second income, monthly payment, utilities, debt. This is fictitious. So we're going to write our answers on the side. What are the average monthly home mortgage payment, average monthly utility bill, and average total debt, excluding the home mortgage of all homeowners residing in the southeast part of the city? Oh. Okay. So location. We want to filter by location of the residents within the city. We're for number one. I'm going to assume she wants us to answer these on over here, right? Okay, I'm just going to basically do some of this. For number one, I'm going to try to do as much as I can by myself without looking at it. So, dang. So we want a few different pieces of information regarding southeast part of the city. Location, southeast is number 4. So we want to filter by what? There's a filtering button somewhere. Or do you just right click? I don't remember. No. I don't remember how to do it. I hate myself. Oh, man. I forgot. Sort, filter. Also, they probably don't care. As long as they select one in the column, it doesn't matter, right? Sort. You probably no. You probably want to use the filter tool. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. Is that what you do? And you sort by number filter equals something. That's my guess. We'll see what she does.
This file contains fictional data from a survey of 500 randomly selected households. Use Excel filters to answer the following questions. What are the average monthly home mortgage payment, average monthly utility bill, and average total debt, excluding the home mortgage of all homeowners residing in the southeast part of the city? And so what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our filter. And when you do that from this home menu over here on sort and filter, you see that all these little boxes pop up with the drop down arrows. So location is the part of the city. And the comment behind me there is telling me that the southwest sector is 1, northwest sector is 2, etc. And they wanted this for the southeast part which is sector number 4. So we're going to turn off all but 4. Okay, so I'm turning them all off, turning 4 back on.
Wait, I didn't see that originally. Oh, I'm an idiot. So, okay. Boom. Good job. What happened? So it turned them off. It literally turned off all the other stuff. Okay. Good for you. We have now selected 4. We have selected Southeast. What we're trying to do, what is the average monthly home mortgage payment, average blah and average blah of that part? That's going to be fun to figure out. Okay. Dang it. How do I do that, though? Do I select the whole column? Or wait. Okay, we have first, second, monthly payment, utility, debt. Total debt. What's the first one? Let me just think through the first thing. Average monthly home mortgage payment. Are you kidding me? Wait, oh, here's the monthly payment. That's probably what it is, right? Yes. So we want the average of this column. So how are we going to get that?
And clicking on OK. Okay. So now I have just the Southeast sector. Okay. And they want to know of all homeowners residing in the Northwest part. So ownership, this means that their renting is 0 and homeowning is 1. We're going to have to eliminate.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. 0 equals rent home. 1 equals an own home. So we have to filter by that too? Why didn't I think of that? Because monthly payment doesn't just refer to mortgage. It says mortgage or rent payment. So we have to actually filter by only home owning. So only select what? Only select number 1. Right? For ownership.
Is 0 and homeowning is 1. We're going to have to eliminate the renters. So drop that box down, turn off the 0, and say OK. And then what are the average monthly home mortgage total debt, excluding the home mortgage, and all the homeowners residing in the Northwest Person? Oh, sorry, the same. Oh, okay, so this is Southeast, and then we're going to do the same thing. So for the Southwest. So here's the thing. I can go to the bottom of a column here, and I can do a calculation to get the average monthly mortgage payment, the average monthly utility bill, and average total debt, which would be these last 3 columns here. But I cannot use the total function to do it, which is what we normally would use when we're adding, or when we're adding up a bunch of numbers, because it would include all the numbers that are filtered out and we don't see because we did our removal of different locations and removal of renters. Okay. Instead, I can use this subtotal. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do it there. I'm just going to copy the headings over here. So those are the 3 things that we're getting. We're getting the averages of these. Where we're going to get them. And
she is writing the answers there.
The monthly payment.
She just kind of did it a weird way. Oh, not weird. Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. So, like, earlier I was like, so is she going to, like, write the answers over here? Yes. But she did it kind of more efficient way. The question's asking for monthly mortgage payment, monthly utility bill, and average total debt. excluding home mortgage. Excluding mortgage. Oh, wait, I'm an idiot. It's in the description, you stupid idiot. Okay. So, and then she just put it over here. So, what? What on earth? What the heck? Oh, hello? Really? This is fun. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What? Oh. Dude. Oh, this formatting is stupid. Oh my gosh. Come on. What? How did she do it without it getting messed up? Oh, jeez. These video players suck.
Those are 3 things that we're
Wait, she just clicked and dragged it over. Wait,
getting. We're getting averages of these.
she didn't actually fix it. She just left it as it was.
And the monthly payment,
She doesn't even fix the format. Okay.
in order to do this on filtered data, we use something called the subtotal.
Subtotal. Sure. Well, I'm going to fix my column here. So, average. Yes. It's. Ooh. Wait. I am a dummy. I hate myself. Well. So, this is where we will put. Yeah, but shouldn't we label it as Southeast? We should label this as Southeast. Ooh. It's fine. Maybe she does it later. Subtotal.
Can use average or count A or max or min or product or any of the various functions that we use to calculate data. So I want it to give me the average, right? So the subtotal of subtotal 1. But if I do 1, it's going to give me even the hidden values. So scrolling down here, I see, 101 is also for the average. 101 is for the average when you want it to ignore the hidden values. Okay. Oops. So we're going to go subtotal 101, comma, and then all of the data in the monthly payment.
Oh, this is fun. To get the average, you do subtotal 101 of the data. Oh my god. She got 794.2121. Can I get this? Please tell me I don't have to have it capitalized. Oh, I forgot the equal sign. .101 is a different average. It's actually on the screen right there. Comma, right? She did a comma first. She did a comma. Crap. I have to go back. Comma, the data. Funny. We're trying to find the average monthly payment. So, select this. Control Shift down. Parenthesis. And enter. Thank you very much for making me scroll back up. We will put this in the correct format of dollars. There we go. Good for you. You're smart. What are you doing? What does that mean? Ooh. Is it too close to the side? Hate myself. What is this? Error message. What is this? What? Did she get the error message too? What did I do wrong? Is it because I put it too close to the column or something?
So,
No, she got the error message too.
Let's set these up as dollar amounts.
What?
Okay.
Oh my God. She just copied it over and got the answers. She didn't have to do each one individually. Oh my God. What? What? How am I supposed to know that would actually do that? Because I didn't do that last time. Oh, jeez. Of course. How did this not work? What is the problem with this? What is the problem with this? Oh. So I got 794.21, 254.61, it's 4361.70. I got different numbers. Of course I got different numbers. How is the debt not right? 4361.70. Never mind. I'm stupid. 264.61. 1 second. That was funny. Video capture. Video display. That was funny. I was just gonna... Sorry. Oh. Dude, it literally just... Age 16 to... That's insane how that worked. That literally worked. What are these green things? Why are they green? She... Also, how come her Excel page is so much more open than mine? Stupid video players covering part of
And
the
so
screen.
this one is southeast sector.
Oh, dude. I can't even see what she has her view set to. How come she can see so much more of the screen than me? What on earth? Like, my screen only shows this much. But hers shows way more. Why? Is it because I have a laptop screen and it doesn't show as much? Or is it zoomed out? Or is it zoomed out or something? Oh, what did she just do?
Oh,
Southeast sector.
you know what? I'm gonna even make this more complicated. What will happen is if some of these rows are hidden or unhidden, they'll disappear. So I'm going to insert a text box so that text box, and then I'm going to copy all that stuff into my text box because the text box will stay there even after other stuff moves. Okay.
What? Oh man.
That's not good. Copy.
What? What's the problem? Why are you doing that? Man.
Okay, well, it totally looked that up. Let's try this.
Oh, what are you doing? I don't understand what purpose of doing that is. Well, it's not working out so well, is it?
Um, okay, forget it. Text box. Let's move this down below the last one. I usually don't like doing stuff. Oh, no, sorry. I normally never think of this till I'm done with doing the first step, and then it all disappears. So pardon me for thinking outside the box this time. So let's just cut that and paste it down below and to the right. Again, usually I don't like doing stuff in that kind of a location because it all disappears. And exactly what happened was there were a bunch of hidden rows. Gosh, and delete. Okay. All right.
Oh,
Now the next one.
well, this is wonderful. She doesn't want to do it over here. Why not? Am I going to be screwed if I do it over here? Watch as I screw myself by not doing what she just did. Oh, I think I know why. I know why she did that. It's because there's a bunch of rows in between all this stuff. Dang it. Dang it. Okay, why don't we just redo it? We'll just redo the whole thing instead of... No, this has got to be easier. Oh boy. So, the way to delete these rows is just do delete rows. What's the redo button? That was... What are you... I think we just did what she just did there. Just moved it over here. Because stuff. Alright. Good job. 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 Oh no. This is Southeast Sector. Southeast. Stop it. Well, so aren't we just doing the same thing again, except... What are the average monthly home mortgage payment, average monthly utility bill, and average total debt of all homeowners residing in the northwest part of the city? Very simple. What did it say? Northwest. Sorry. Also, why is the dollar all the way on the left side? The heck? What? Does she have that problem too? I think so. Ah, jeez. Northwest sector. So we probably have to redo the whole thing. We can't just copy formulas again. We have to do location, only include location, only include 2. Right? So we're good there. That's all we had to change. Now we do. God, this is going to get annoying. Just have to scroll down every time. This is going to get annoying. Equals subtotal 101, which is the average. And monthly payment. So there we go. I think we're good there.
One they wanted was part B for the northwest part of the city, and the northwest part of the city so northwest is number 2, so going to our location, turning on to, turning off for, and clicking on OK. Okay. You see that it changed the data selected considerably. Seems to be a lot more homes in that area.
Uh-oh. Oh.
So again, to get that value, we're going to do equal subtotal. Oh, don't tell me it changed. 101. And our monthly payment. And these will be dollar values. Okay. And again, once you do it for the monthly payment, if you copy it to the right, it's going to calculate for the rows that are to the right. Drag it across. Okay.
All right, did I get the right numbers? It's going to be fun. 1269.98, 256.25, 5776.16. Okay, we got it good. We got it right. Good for us. What are we doing? How do they compare to those found in Part A? Whoa, let's see. They look pretty similar, although weirdly enough, I don't know. They look very similar to me. It's like it only differs by a few dollars each, if that. So, is that the answer? It's not a big difference.
Yeah, I feel like something's wrong here. Did these numbers change? I can see right here. Yes, they did. Okay,
What's
let me
wrong?
Go back to my text box and try to make it something we can read.
Text box. Ooh. Paste. What are you doing? Oh, you're going back to.
See if I can get this. This is really annoying. Every semester I do it slightly different and I try to do it like, oh, I'm going to make it so much more efficient. And then I run into problems every single time. So I guess I'm not doing more efficient. So this one's for Northwest Sector and our amounts are here. Oh, wait, that's not going to work. I got to copy and paste.
Yeah. You could do Control C. Ooh. I don't know why she's putting it in a text box, but
So we can
okay.
just see, sort of eyeballing it, that in the Northwest Sector, the monthly payments considerably more. The payment, the utilities are considerably
Wait a
more.
minute. How come the numbers changed? They changed. What's going on here? It used to be like 700 something. Wait just a second. Wait just a second here. What's going on? This is the only number that's wrong, right? What's going on here? What's going on? Dude, this is so great. Oh, what happened? Maybe just redo it. I don't know. Dang it. What's going on? Like, the same thing happened to her, but how did she fix the problem? I don't know. Dude. Okay, wait. Or... Oh my gosh. I think I know what's going on. Oh my gosh. It keeps changing it. Whenever we change the filter, it automatically changes the numbers. This is so great. She puts it in like a text box to fix the problem or something, but so these three results should be correct right now. Where's the text box? Oh. No. Is that what she did? Wait, I want to see how she inserted the text box.
And here we see. And do it like.
Where'd she get the text box from? What? Oh. Yes, it was correct. The way I was doing it was correct, right? How come she gets her a button For text box. Where's the text box button? I don't see one. Anyways. That was funny. All right. We'll copy this. Paste. What is going on here? That was fine. What? What? Wait. Oh, I pushed the wrong button. Ooh. Yes. This is great. This is great. This is the best. This is wonderful. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this is stupid. Why can't I just do something like this? Why can't I just go here? Oh my god. Paste all this stuff in. It's all messed up again. Oh man. Ooh. Yeah, maybe this isn't gonna work. Yeah, this is the most annoying thing on the planet. This is the most annoying thing. This is... Create a new page. Just do it on the page. I think that's what we're going to have to do. I think this will be fixed if we create this new page and we copy and paste it. But I don't see it being fixed right about now. No, I don't think creating a new page is going to help. It's having the same issue as before. So how about what we do is, yeah, we'll still keep it on the same. We'll keep it on this other page. But what we have to do is copy and paste. We will paste values. We will paste the values. Maybe that'll fix it. Why is the number sign on the left? I mean, not numbers, the dollar sign. Now, we will now do the filter. We will apply the filter for the second part to, right? Now it should have the correct answer for this. Now we will copy, paste this. And that should be it. Save. That should be the answer. This is so complicated. So unnecessarily complicated. Right. Let's see what she has. I have. By the way, bye.